Wait, it doesn't matter what you do, you are in the business of education. Welcome to Skool now, where we help you learn, grow, and achieve better. Education in the largest sense possible is any act or experience that has a formative effect on the mind, the character, and the physical ability of an individual. It goes without saying, you think and act like the people you spend your time with. So take for instance, if I use a certain slangs or have a certain belief system, if you spend some time with me, I bet that the probability will be that you will adopt that same belief system or use that same slangs. And that is not by choice. This is the power of education. We are learning every day, from our family, to our neighbors, to our friends, to people around us, and the same way we are educating and teaching those people around us, from our family, to our friends, to our neighbors, and people around us. Now that you know that you're into education, the big question here is, what are you teaching and what are you learning? See you soon.